Hi everyone, I'm Samurai Teacher. Welcome to Nyaosuke's Samurai Kids Programming. In this lesson, we are going to create a game where Nyaosuke, the samurai cat, uses a katana to chop firewood. Are you ready with Scratch? Let's get started. Alright, let's make a firewood chopping game today. In this game, Nyaosuke, who is training to be a samurai, practices cutting firewood that fall from above with his katana. There are 5 sprites ready to go. First is Nyaosuke. Next is a sprite that shows the hand position. Next is the katana. It has 2 costumes, one with the blade facing up and one with the blade facing down. Then we have the slash effect and the firewood. The firewood has 2 costumes, whole for before it's chopped and split for after it's chopped. We also have a stage ready. For the backdrop, we have an image of the umoregi house. This is a traditional samurai house from old Japan. A real samurai used to live and study here a long time ago. First, let's create a program to make the firewood fall from above. We will hide the other sprites for now. Let's hide Nyaosuke. Hide the hand position too. Hide the katana as well. And hide the slash effect. For the stage, let's set it to blank. Now let's write the code for the firewood. Click on the Code tab. Let's grab when green flag clicked. When this green flag is clicked, the firewood will move to its starting position up here, where it falls from. Let's make it go to X 50 and Y 180, which is the very top. See, it moves right here. From this position, we will write a program to create clones of itself and make them fall. When using clones, make sure to hide the original sprite. Let's use a forever loop, then create a clone. To do this, we use create clone of myself. Once it makes a clone, it will wait for a little bit. Now that we've made a clone, let's write a program for when it appears. Grab when I start as a clone. Once it's cloned, we want it to keep falling all the way to the bottom. For this, we'll use repeat until. We want it to repeat this until its Y position gets smaller than the very bottom, which is minus 180. Go to Operators, grab the less than block, and type minus 180 into the right side. Then go to Motion and put the Y position block into the left side. Repeat until Y position is less than minus 180. Inside this loop, we'll change its Y position. If we use change Y by minus 10, it will fall downwards. Let's test it out. Huh? It's not falling. Ah, that's because the original sprite is still hidden. Let's add show. Right when it starts as a clone, make sure to show it. Perfect! Now you can see them falling. And once it hits the very bottom, we want it to disappear. Attach delete this clone right at the end. Great, now they disappear. But just falling straight down is a bit boring. Let's make it spin as it falls. Let's grab the turn 15 degrees block and snap it right under change Y by minus 10. Let's try 15 degrees for this one. If they fall at the exact same timing every second, it's not that exciting. Let's make it more unpredictable and fun. Go to the green operators block and use pick random to set it from 0.3 to 3.0 seconds. Now they'll fall at different times, making the game much more interesting. It's more fun if they fall faster, so let's change minus 10 to minus 30. See? Now they're falling with real speed. Wow, look at that. Now we have a complete program where the firewood spin around and around as they fall from above. This time, we write the code for the katana and the hand's position. We won't be using these firewood for now, so let's grab the hide block and pull it down to detach it. Then reset and stop the program. We'll make it so that pressing the space key swings the katana down and pressing it again swings it up. First, let's start with the script for the katana. When the green flag is clicked, grab a forever block. First, let's set the katana's direction and appearance. Use point in direction, set it to -45 degrees. Then, set the switch costume 2 block to down. Now, we wait for the space key to be pressed. Use the wait until block and the key space pressed condition. When the space key is pressed, the katana will swing down. Use repeat 10, change it to 5. Then use turn right 15 degrees and change it to 60 degrees. Once it swings down, let's prepare to swing it back up. Set the switch costume 2 block to up. Now we wait until the space key is pressed again. Use wait until and key space pressed. For the upward swing, use repeat 10 change to 5 and turn left 15 degrees change to 60. Let's try it. Press the space key to swing down, press again to swing up. It works, but if we hold the key, it keeps swinging. We want it to be press once to swing down, press again to swing up. To fix that, use wait until with not and key space pressed. Press this before the wait until key space pressed block. Repeat this for the second one.
Alright, it's done.
Now let's call the hand's position. When swinging down, the hand moves to the bottom right. When swinging up, it moves back to the top left. When the green flag is clicked, the hand's position is important. Set X to -150 and Y to -50. After that, use forever. Set the direction. Use point in direction and set it to 135 degrees, pointing to the bottom right. Now wait until the space key is pressed. Let's move it to the bottom right. Use repeat 5 and move 10 steps, but change it to 15 steps. Great, it moves to the bottom right. Now let's write a code for it to move back to the top left when the space key is pressed again. Use wait until key space pressed. For the upward movement, use repeat 5 and move -15 steps. Just like with the katana, let's add wait until with not key space pressed so it doesn't repeat while holding the key.
Just repeat the same steps to build the blocks for the other side. Great! Everything looks good now.
Let's add the code for the katana to follow the hand. Use when green flag clicked, forever, and go to random position, but change it to hand position. Since we don't need to see the hand, add hide after when green flag clicked in the hand script.
Great job, everyone! Is your game running smoothly? Next time, we'll finish up the Nyaosuke firewood chopping game. See you all in the next lesson.